Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add a filterable gallery on Wix.com. So if you're working on Wix.com and if you find the need to add a filterable gallery, just follow this video and by the end of it you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com, and from here what you need to do is you need to click on edit site. But before we click on edit site, let me tell you a bit about this homepage that we're here. This is called a homepage or the dashboard. You can take the advantage of a dashboard by exploring all these features that Pix gives you right here. So this getting paid, events feature, sales feature, blog feature, app feature, site and mobile app, inbox, customer and lead, marketing, analytic, automation. Like there are a plethora of features that you can use right here and you'll be good to go. So once when you click edit site, you'll be redirected here on this homepage. That's right here. So what can you do on this homepage? Let me just check whether we are on the homepage or not. Uh, Here you go. Let me go here on the homepage because we are not on the homepage. I got this idea. So here you go. This is the homepage. Now, if I want to add a filterable gallery on the homepage, what do I need to do? I need to add another section right here, or we can use this section. We have a free section right here. So we need to go here, add elements, store, and or we can just write gallery here. We can just click on add to site because I guess for a filterable gallery, we need to add a store. So let's just wait until Wix adds a store first right here, or a template for a store. We can edit. So here you go. Wix added the store for us right here. Now, in order to create a filterable gallery, what do we need to do? Let's just see what this has to offer. We need to go in settings, and the filterable gallery is right here. Initially, we in the previous version of Wix, we had to turn on the filters, but this version has the filterable gallery pre-installed. So here you go. We have the filterable gallery right here and we're good to go. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.